Hi, myself Shankar Reddy. I am from Aero B section. Today's topic is numerical simulations of complex yield stress fuel flows. Is characterized by a yield stress below which the materials will not deform and above which they will deform and follow according to different constitutive relations. Viscoplastic models include the Bingham plastic. Analytic solutions exist for such models in a simple flows. For general flow fields, it is necessary to develop numerical techniques to track down yield and uni-yield regions. This can be avoided by introducing into the models of recalculation parameter, which facilitates the solutions process and produced virtually. This can be avoided by introducing into the models of a recognition parameter, which facilitates the solution process and produces virtually the same results as the ideal models by the right choice of its value. This work reviews several benchmark problems of viscoplastic flows, such as a entry and exits flow from dice flows around the sphere and a bubble and squeeze flows. Examples are also given for the typical processing flow of viscoplastic materials where the extent and shape of the yielded unyielded regions are clearly shown. The above mentioned viscoplastic models leave underestimated the stress and the plastic deformation in the solid region. Moreover, deviation have been reported between predictions with these models and experiments for flows around practical using parabola and one of the very often used and heteroflow widely accepted as a simple viscoplastic fluid. These have been partially remade in very recent studies using the models proposed by Saromet.